I think we're hoping to find a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home and somewhere we can entertain, a kitchen that you can use and that we can use, big backyard, maybe a front porch.
The challenge is they want a designer bungalow. So a designer bungalow right now will cost them upwards of anywhere from $550 to $600. That's something fully done, whereas they're more in the total all-in $475 range. The good thing about Grant Park is that there's a lot of smaller fixer bungalows for a price that's affordable to them.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I love the front of this.
Hey.
Hello.
Wow. Well, this is really
thank you. This is
really
awesome.
something.
So,
Here for
okay,
it.
so here you have it.
Okay.
An adorable cottage. We are in Grant Park, less than 300 yards away to the Beltline.
Yeah,
Oh my
that's
gosh.
amazing.
Got little restaurants and stops and shops.
We said location was everything.
And if you look right over here, they started a vegetable garden. Some blueberries and cabbage.
Love that.
Beautiful.
All good signs so far.
Yes.
Let's get inside before we all melt.
Wow. So immediately love the hardwood floors.
Yeah.
This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and it also has a huge backyard. That's the biggest difference between the last house and this. This one's also 922 square feet, and that one's about 1,200 square feet.
Yeah, what does that mean price-wise?
Well, this one's $375 compared to $448.
Great. In Grant Park.
Okay.
Right, that's awesome.
You cannot get into Grant Park for $375,000.
So we got the location.
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you the lay of the land. We're standing in the living room. Right off of the living room, there's a hallway leading to 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And in the back, you have the kitchen.
Looking at that one and looking at this one, the first thing I noticed is that the same amount of space feels smaller.
If you were able to get in, let's just say we lucked up and got in at $375, you have $100,000 to play with in a neighborhood that can go upwards of $800,000. So you could potentially go back. You could go up.
Okay.
You could, there's so many things that could happen here to make this livable for you.
Okay. Sounds very reasonable.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And you're not budging at renovation. I'm loving this. They're not flinching. Okay, let's check out the 2 bedrooms, see what's going on there.
I think perfect size for a primary bedroom. It looks great.
Second bedroom, same size,
yeah, almost.
right?
Here's the 1 bathroom in the whole house.
Okay. It's
It is
pretty tiny, but you know, the bathroom is
There's
small,
some thought
tight.
in it.
There's some
right?
thought in it,
Yeah.
yeah. The bathroom is fine. I'm emotionally neutral in the bathroom.
Well, let's put a pin in that and check out the kitchen. Come on.
Well,
Yikes. Yeah.
okay. So this is where you're losing me. The format and layout of this kitchen makes no sense at all.
Okay.
It's
Agreed.
completely segregated from the living space. There's this huge chunk of space that isn't being used at all.
Right.
They basically split the kitchen in half and said half of it is going to be unusable counter space and cabinets that can't really even hold anything.
Right.
And the other half is just going to be an empty void of uselessness.
Right.
So if I'm hearing you correctly,
This is true.
what you'd like to see is you do not like this wall.
Oh, no.
Definitely.
No,
You'd
no, no.
rather be able to have this open and see the living room. And you're okay losing the fireplace.
Totally.
Are you against a built-in?
No, definitely not.
Because here's what I'm seeing that we could do. We could knock this wall out that separates the living room from the kitchen and extend the kitchen into the living room space. That would open up this area and allow for more storage and counter space.
Especially considering there's no dining room, why not try to make an eat-in kitchen
Yeah,
of some
right.
sort?
Sure.
I think if you...
Babe, can you open the door and show them the backyard?
Here's the kicker.
Wow, yeah, oh
Wow.
my God.
Yeah.
So the backyard is huge.
Yeah, this
I mean,
is gorgeous.
The dog would love this, right?
We've lived in a studio apartment for a long time together, and so we really feel like anything beyond a studio is really just an upgrade.
See what's going on. Cool. Oh, we're gonna blow through this. So the biggest difference maker in this property is taking out the fireplace and the wall. Right now, it's just a big obstruction.
They don't like it, they don't want it, it's not functional. What they prefer to have is an open concept and a larger kitchen. So the only thing to do here, but it's also gonna be probably the most expensive, is getting rid of this fireplace.
Yeah. Watch out. Remember that dip we were seeing? It's doing it here, and I'm scared of this. You know, this is the low bearing area, and that's not a safe sign. So I want to re-support this area before we even put temporary walls up. This house was built in 1950s, so whenever you're dealing with older homes, you have to do your homework and make sure that you don't run into any problems. When you take out a fireplace, now you're dealing with the roof as well, so I need to get up in the attic to make sure we're not dealing with any roof damage before getting this chimney out of here. Automatically, I'm thinking we're gonna find some issues, which I hope we don't. Hey, Mark.
What's happening?
I found no problem.
I was wondering if I was gonna really come up with a solution or not, but I figured take it to you, baby, it's okay.
We're gonna blow right through this. Whenever you're dealing with construction, you have those hidden nuances. When you're removing a fireplace, it goes through the ceiling, which means you have to remove part of the roof and ceiling. This could be an issue because we have to make sure we don't damage the roof while we work. It's a very delicate process. Luckily, there was no previous roof damage, but we still have to be careful. So, I mean, you can see it right there. We're gonna have to create a temporary wall here and a temporary wall back there to support that area. Dad, I don't want this roof falling while we're in here working.
Definitely.
We can start on the floors now as well.
All right, babe.
You got this?
Yeah, you want this outside?
Yeah, I have the table set up already.
Okay.
Put it on top.
Really?
You gotta warn me, okay?
Come on now.
So we've taken out the wall. The fireplace has come out with no problem.
So now we've got to lace in hardwood floors wherever it's missing and get rid of some of the rotted floors, make them all level, finish them.
Right.
All of that. All of that.
Okay, see you later.
It's so frustrating to take these steps down. And once we clear permits, and after Aaron and Abby move in, we'll build them right back up. Yo, what's going on, gentlemen?
Hey, what's up, man?
It sucks that we had to take this down. It's like
horrible.
we put all this work into making it look good and do this nice setup, and here we are. The township might have thrown a curveball at us, but now, got our structural signed off on, engineering signed off on.
Electrical.
We're good, electrical's fine. Now we just need these windows to be signed off on for us to continue work in the living room and kitchen. We don't want any more delays getting Abby and Aaron into their new home. Ooh, LVLs are in. That's what I'm talking about. We're a week behind, but the cabinets are here. Electrical's being done today. Then we have about 48-hour turnaround. So we're looking at 4 days from today, we can get in here and actually start working.
Exactly.
Right? From that point on, we start on the flooring. That's a day's worth of work. We can actually get in here and start repairing the sheetrock too.
Oh, yeah, simultaneously.
So that's a day. Then, get the stain done, work on the cabinets.
You adding all these days together, what's the amount?
We got about 2 weeks of work.
Wow! I love all the flowers and the little window boxes.
This is perfect.
What a picture perfect
How are
moment.
you?
Hi, good to see you. Hey guys.
see you.
It's been too long.
It
It's
has,
really.
it has.
Good to see you, buddy.
Yeah.
So you guys haven't pulled any late night drive-bys just to see out of
No.
curiosity?
No, we have not. We are going to be 100% surprised on this, honestly. It's been a wild ride, but we're
How
glad to
you
be
feeling?
here.
Good,
Very nervous. I'm
Yeah.
shaking a lot.
Yeah, excited.
Yeah.
Well, let's just start outside. You got a porch swing now
Love
Oh
that.
my gosh, it's beautiful.
from Mike.
There was no way we could do the exterior and not add a swing. And it's what my wife has been telling me you want it.
Yes.
Right?
So you want to go inside and check out your house?
Yeah. After you.
Here we go. Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Wow.
This is unreal.
Wow.
Unreal.
My God.
Oh,
This is awesome.
oh, this
Man, thank you.
this is great.
Great to see you like Wow.
Oh, this is gorgeous. I can't believe how big
God.
the space is.
Well, you had the fireplace literally right here, so it was blocking the whole flow of the room. And so now by taking that out, now you
Yeah.
actually have light coming from those two back windows.
Yep.
Whereas before, it felt darker in here, which made it feel smaller.
Sure, sure. And the flooring really looks amazing.
Mike laced it in perfectly.
Yeah.
You can't even
Yeah.
tell
Can't tell
a
at all.
fireplace
It
was
looks
there.
beautiful.
So what do you think about your new kitchen?
There's so much space.
Oh my God, you moved the sink too. I just realized that. Holy cow, that looks awesome in the island.
This looks awesome, and there's still so much space in the island too, where it's like I can still cook here, and the way everything's inset too, and all of the like cabinetry and stuff, and like the tile is so stunning and crisp and bright. With the open shelving, looks so. It looks great.
I thought it was really good to add something like this, like some real thick, beautiful wood with a lot of antiquity to it, just to add some more character back. And I think it really elevates the kitchen as well. It gives it more of a designer feel.
Yeah.
Yeah? Hot damn, we're doing good.
Yeah, I nailed it. Yeah, the kitchen looks amazing.
All right, you also didn't have a dining space, and so we created this breakfast area for you.
Little breakfast
And,
nook.
and we thought it would be so cute.
It doesn't interrupt the flow of the room.
Exactly.
And this is great. Moving the TV over this direction too is like a genius move as well.
This was a must. We couldn't put it back in that corner and make it make sense. So we figured we'd put it on this wall, but not just put it on the wall by itself. You know, make it look like a piece of art.
Yeah.
But this isn't it. What we decided to do is really hook your bedroom and your office up as well.
What?
Yeah?
That's great.
Well, you know, just because we got so attached to the house, it was like, we gotta finish it. So come on and take a look.
I just want to sit in here for hours. For hours.
We're starting in the office.
Wow.
This is awesome.
This looks great.
And of course, your brand new up-to-code window.
And what a
Finally have
pretty
somewhere to
view from
work.
outside. Yeah. And a little day bed.
So it still serves as a guest room.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so smart.
Wanna see the bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is awesome.
This looks great.
I love the art on the walls too, actually.
I do too. Yeah. I love the little like built-ins right there.
Does it feel functional for you? I know you were just having a conversation with me about it actually being a functional room instead of
Yeah, it
just
does.
a pretty room.
No, it's nice to have like plenty of storage space.
Did you notice? Because of the window, my wife had took her art skills up to par.
Yeah.
So excited. Egypt and Mike really heard what we wanted and what our vision was and what our style was and really translated that into the sort of open concept, light and bright, chic house that we wanted.